I'm going to show you something really cool you probably didn't even know about your own phone. Did you know that your phone can most likely see in the dark? Most people don't realize that. It's because of the fact that your phone sensor does not have something called an IR cut filter. Now, your big camera like this one here does have an IR cut filter. And basically all that does is it cuts out infrared light. The big cameras have this filter in there just to reduce noise caused by light pollution, but your phone doesn't have that. It's the reason why you could take a remote like this and point it at the big camera and you don't see anything when I press the button. I mean, look at that. Is it going to focus there? It's not going to focus, but you don't see anything. But when I point it at my phone, right, when I point it at my phone, look what happens. You see that light? That's the infrared light. So I thought it would be a fun experiment to actually get the infrared emitter circuit from a security camera and slap that on my phone and see what would happen. So here's the build here. It's actually pretty simple. It's two 9-volt battery packs and it's an infrared light emitter from a security camera. I'm just going to hot glue these onto my case here. It's pretty simple to do. Then you just do up a little bit of wiring and it's actually done. Let's see the results here. So right now I'm actually pointing my camera at a map of the world and you can't see it, but watch what happens when I turn the battery packs on. Haha! Look at that, night vision camera. So there's my map of the world. You can see the light reflecting in the picture there, but it's pitch black in this room. I can't see a thing. There's my table where I built it. So I mean, it's not great, but it works. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you this quick and fun little thing you can do with your phone. Created the franken-phone. That's what I'm going to call this guy here. It's actually my ghost hunting phone. I probably destroyed my case, but you know what? They're $1, right? So there it is. Until next time, guys. If you enjoyed this, if you thought this was fun, stay tuned to this channel. I'll be posting more stuff like this. Take care.